we interrupt this important football game to bring you some important information about your child's education.
Hi! Are you wondering about formative and summative assessment? Well, we interrupt this program to bring you information on just that. Now understand that having an assessment program helps inform instructors on what students do and do not know. It drives learning by sending teachers signals on what to teach, how to teach it, and how long they need to spend on a concept or a skill. But at the end of the day, an assessment program highlights the gap between existing knowledge and desired outcome.
Now, the current laws governing assessment. According to the U.S. Department of Education's website regarding assessments, most regulations focus on students identified as special needs or recently arrived LEP, limited English proficient students. Specific modifications regarding assessments mandated by an IEP, an individualized student or education plan. We want every student to have the opportunity and atmosphere to flourish, so we will adhere to the guidelines presented by the state of North Carolina to allow each child to learn in their least restrictive environment. Here's Crystal.
Okay, so let's talk about these assessments. Let's talk about formative assessment. It measures the student's progress and provides feedback and information during instructional process. Basically, it happens during learning time, and it focuses on where the areas of improvement need to be. The types of formative assessment include observation, homework, questions and answers during discussion, and in-class activities. Now, summative assessment happens at the end of the period or the semester. It takes place after all that learning has already been done. Things like rubrics help set the standard and the expectations for summative assessment. Now, we see summative assessment in exams or with exams, finals, papers, projects, and performances. The feedback we kind of get from formative assessment is the rethink and redeliver. Teachers need to know how they can redeliver the lesson so that the total class can grasp the concept of what is trying to be obtained. And the feedback that we looked for in summative assessment is the grade. Basically, whatever the grade is, that's what it is.
All right, now, in case you're wondering, for valid and reliable assessment tools used to monitor and adjust instruction, at the kindergarten level, children are developing social skills such as turn-taking and group discussion and cooperation, and education skills such as letter and number recognition. The purpose of assessment is to measure specific areas of proficiency in each child and assist teachers in forming plans to guide instruction once areas of needed development have been identified. The recommended method of collecting, according to education.com/references/articles/why our assessment is important, is directed board games and simple worksheets. Did you have anything else, Crystal?
That's all. Back to that game. Go Panthers
Go
on
Panthers.
three. 1, 2,